All right, YouTube, we're out here on this very rainy day enjoying some time in the garage. We got a special engine for you right here. This is a 396 4-bolt main out of a 1966 Chevelle SS. All right, it's got an edelbrock Performer RPM air gap manifold, freshly rebuilt edelbrock carb, brand new HEI distributor, 65,000 volt coil with new custom cut plug wires. This has got a comp mutha thuumper cam in it, comp lifters, comp 3/8 push rods, comp springs. It's got a comp double roller timing chain, and it's got roller rockers. And on top of it, we got big oval port 148 series heads. All right, and those are high flow heads. And what we're looking at is probably going to be somewhere around the area of 450 horsepower, about 500 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, and she's also got a high flow aluminum water pump, SFI flex plate, high torque starter. ARP bolts were used all through the rebuild with head bolts, main bolts, and all the little stuff in between. All right, so I reckon you want to see it start up, because I know I do. So let's start it up. I've already got it warm, and she's holding about 35-40 pounds of oil pressure at hot idle, which is great. Listen to this sucker run. I'm going to go ahead and shut up so we can listen to it. I'll grab a glove so I can unplug it. Love that sound. Nothing sounds like a freaking big one. Love it. It's also got a 110 amp one wire alternator. Comes with a standard fuel pump with a fuel regulator right here on the engine for you.